What's going on, everybody? Checking out a few more places today on Don't Feed Sean. First stop was the Joinery in Lakeland. This place was really cool. A little aesthetically pleasing little food hall. A few different places to eat, but I stopped in to get that Sabu ramen. I picked up a bowl of tonkatsu there for $10, which was really great. Competitive ramen prices for the area. And right next door to that was a taco spot, Gallito Taqueria. They're doing their birria there, and I've been on my birria kick lately. So that is our first birria look today. The tacos aren't huge, but they are good. The consomme is good, and most of all, the atmosphere in that place is good. And Joinery is somewhere that's definitely grown on me. I'm gonna have to go back there and check out more of the food. Hold up on this great little spot, this little Cuban spot out here, right on Highway 27, so it's kind of halfway between Orlando and Tampa. I'm not too far from the area today, and I found this Cuban truck. I have a friend who lives close by, and he's been telling me how great this place is, so I decided to swing over and check it out for myself. It's a windy day, it looks like it's gonna rain, so I might be bringing this to go, but it should be pretty exciting. Yeah, I had to hurry home. It was about to get bad out there, but I really could not wait until I got to show you guys all this, because I bought all of this. Good and crunchy. All this was $15. This is a lot of food. The size of this sandwich. Hot Cuban. Look at that. So with the ham and pork and everything. Now here's the money maker. Oh yeah. You know we're gonna. Oh. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. This papa relleno. This thing is so good. But this right here, this I love. This sandwich with the fries is $9. Oh. It's just a fresh rush of flavor. And now, breaking stuff open with friends. Managed to get a little Plant Street Market run in as well, and got a little bit of everything there. Swung up to Macked Out, checked out some of that Macked Out pork belly mac and cheese over Michael and Allie's. We got one of the strombolis. The strombolis there are really good. I really enjoy a good stromboli, and they do a great job with theirs. Just really full, really filling, everything I want out of it. My buddy grabbed a little bit of sushi, and I popped over to the butcher and got the Dirty Butcher sandwich. That thing is just jam-packed. Right after that, we walked down the street to the Chocolatier and got a creme brulee in there. That creme brulee was really good. Little Brazilian golden spot. I'm gonna have to go back there for some more brigadeiro and some of the Brazilian type treats that they do, because those all looked really good as well. Last but not least is the birria from Rusteak Ocoee. Rusteak Ocoee is hammering these things out on Sundays right now, and they are killing it. These things are red, they are juicy, they are fresh. The meat cooks for 16 hours. They really let that all break down and come together. They double cheese the tortillas, so you get 3 with an order. You get the nice, look at how cheesy that is. And that beef, they take that beef there, and they take that beef and they put it on there, and they really just kind of let that sit for a minute on the grill to let the juices of the beef really start to seep in with the cheese and the tortilla, all before they go ahead and do another pour of that consomme onto the tacos. They just dump that stuff right on it, and that's where it really gets the red coloring from, when you do a few different ladles of this on there and you dip the tortilla Once these things are kind of grilled up, they stack them, let that cheese melt those tortillas together, and fold them over. Get them ready to serve. Once those things are ready to go, they get a little bowl of the consomme, and that's what you need to dip it in. Same stuff they're pouring all over it. They get those bad boys ready. Little garnish of cilantro and onions. Get those things ready to serve. Right now they're doing a quesadilla, some craft cocktails, and the tacos. Dip those bad boys. Guys, I finished up over at Paddlefish. Paddlefish was pushing out some specials for National Rum Day, including the Mayan Empress. That is a really good rum drink they serve there with Santa Teresa rum, which is a famous rum from Venezuela. So they mixed one of those bad boys up for me, and I gotta go upstairs and enjoy it on the roof. Fantastic place. If you've never been, I really suggest you go. If for nothing else, to go up to the top of the boat, enjoy a drink, and enjoy the view. The blend of flavors from this drink being citrus juices, bitters, the orange garnish, all over that rum. Like I said, Santa Teresa, very good rum. Fantastic combination. The only thing that added to that was the view in Disney Springs. Guys, thanks for tuning in this week. If you like what you see, smash that like button, hit subscribe,